It's true. I am saying goodbye to Danielle Gets It Done, and I'm sad about it. I love that name, but I just feel like it doesn't fit my content right now or the direction I wish to go. When I launched Danielle Gets It Done, two big parts of my channel were cleaning and planning. So that channel made a lot of sense. Slowly, I started focusing more on mothering an ADHD child and mothering in general as I documented my second pregnancy. I'm so passionate about the idea of supporting moms to invest in themselves with self-care and personal development for setting goals and tracking their progress. I've personally grown exponentially since my son started showing signs of ADHD, and I've come to realize that when I invest in myself with selfish self-care and pampering and meditation and mindfulness and eating well, spirituality, essential oils, and consuming media that builds me up and inspires me, I in turn become a more calm and present and conscious parent to my child. And I've also found that my calmness rubs off on him. So that's what I want to focus on because I think I can help people, and also because I need my own advice every single day. My new channel name is Take Care Mama. Take Care Mama. Take care of yourself so that you can take care of your little ones. Truthfully, my content won't change a ton because I've already been focusing on ADHD and mothering, but it might get a little more specific with the occasional fun lifestyle video. And I'm also working hard on some extra services to provide for moms of children with ADHD, and I'm super excited. I've been working behind the scenes. If you do follow me because of my ADHD content, I'd love for you to click the link below to get on my newsletter if you're not already. I'm going to be sending a ton of free resources. I hate change. I hate it, but you can't change if you don't grow. So I hope you will join me on this new direction, and until next time, take care, Mama. Bye, guys.